Class 9th. Beehive Poem. The Lake Isle of Innisfree. This well-known poem explores the poet's longing for the peace and tranquility of Innisfree, a place where he spent a lot of time as a boy. This poem is a lyric. I will arise and go now, and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin build there. Of clay and wattles made, 9 bean rows will I have there, a hive for the honeybee, and live alone in the beloud glade. And I shall have some peace there, for peace comes dropping, slow dropping from the vales of the morning to where the cricket sings, their midnights all a glimmer, and noon a purple glow, and evenings full of the linnet's wings. I will arise and go now, for always night and day I hear the lake water lapping with low sounds by the shore. While I stand on the roadway, or on the pavements gray, I hear it in the deep heart's core.